Let me start with Paikea. Paikea had a son called Rongo Mai Tuaho. Ko Rongo Mai Tuaho, ko tuano rā, ko te ao marama e au e. Ko tātai arorangi, ko te huapai rā, ko te rangi hopu kia, ko hine huhuri tai, ko manutangi rua, ko hinganga roa. Ka tū tōna whare te rāwhioro e, ka tupu te whaihanga e hika ki uawa. Nā hinganga roa, ko hauiti. Nā hauiti, ko tana tamāhine, hine te rā. Hine te rā, had tūtekohi. Tūtekohi had tamatānui. Tamatānui had hura waikato. Hura waikato had te whakapuiarangi. Te whakapuiarangi had te whakahio te rangi. Te whakahio te rangi had pōnui. Pōnui had konohi. Konohi had marukawiti. Marukawiti had tāne tokorangi. And tāne tokorangi had Hinematioro. Our ancestors had travelled from throughout the South Pacific, from our Hawaii to here, and they had landed in Uawa, and they had birthed at Ōpōtama, the place that they had named after a magnificent drama that had happened in Whāo, Hawaii. Ōpōtama was the place of first encounters for us on our journey from Hawaii. That's where Horauta landed. That's where Taki Timu called in. Paikea also spent some time at Ōpōtama. It was a natural arrival place because of the calmness of the waters there. It is no wonder that so many generations later, in 1769, the Endeavour was also to birth close to Ōpōtama and the crew come ashore to be hosted, to be welcomed by Hinematioro and her cousin, Te Whakatātari o Tarangi. So today was a really special day, and it has been a day that we have long dreamed about, realising the return of the po of Hinematioro that has been given by way of loan from Tübingen Museum in Germany to Te Aitanga Hauiti, to us in Uawa. So it's a real privilege and an honour to have been part of today. To realise that 250 years ago on this day, the 23rd of October, she left here. She left here as Te Koha Tuatahi, the first gift to Captain James Cook, to Joseph Banks, to Te Paia, the navigator, and to the crew of the Endeavour. There was an incredible trade that took place. It wasn't just cultural, there was some economic trading as well. They gave items from the ship itself, and in return we gifted them a number of things. They collected from Uawa between 120 and 160 plant specimens that they had never collected anywhere else. As they were about to leave, she gifted them the po from her whare, the po of Hinematioro. Quite amazing that a koha given from the heart of Hawaii has traversed the world. And today, the circle is complete. Today you saw the celebration of her tamariki and her mokopuna, knowing that other people, other cultures want to understand and be part of our history. That is a thing of great pride.